They return again, 3 Java Munias, born in my garden, raised under Bougainvillea blossoms. They gather around the hanging feeder, enjoying their morning millet like a ritual of joy. This is their 3rd generation, a lineage I've quietly watched, season after season. Their happiness calms my heart, just minutes before I step into a major operation theater. In their wings, I find stillness. In their chirps, a melody of peace. And in this 1 minute, a moment of therapy, just for me, and now, for you.